Hi everyone, welcome back to Coding Studio. So in today's video, we are going to be making the New Year's app. So in our last Coding Studio video, I got prepared the app with you. So we made a file in code.org. We made a project in code.org actually, and we titled it, and also we got some images, and I'll show you how we're going to use it today. Before we go further in, let's go ahead and talk to Winnie. He says, "Hi guys, let's make the app." Yes, Winnie, you're right. We're going to make the app today. So let's get started. So while this is loading, I already created the app. I'm just going to go over with what I did and show you how to make yours. All right, so let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go up here and you want to find design in these three options. Now, how you know you're in the design tab is it has that highlight around it, the orange highlight. So that's how you know you're in the design tab. So once you're in the design tab, the first thing you're going to do is click on this drop down above the screen, and you're going to click new screen. So that will make two screens for you. Now go back to the first screen and title it 2020 and then click choose. So when you click choose, I already linked my pictures here in this file, but I don't think you have these done yet. So I'll show you how to do that. So the first thing I did was just click upload file. And then here you're gonna find the pictures names or the file names you chose and insert both of them in here. Now they both won't appear on the screen, just one will, but you have to click choose. So if I choose this, you see it comes up, but I can't see 2020. So now I'll go back to that. Oops. Okay. So once you have your background on here, go ahead and go to the next screen, title it 2021, and do the same. Just click choose, and you should have the pictures here. And go ahead and click the picture for 2021. And once you're done with that, go back to 2020 screen. And from the design toolbox here, it's white. You're going to click and drag this button. So the button is actually orange and the text color is white. So you can customize it. So that's what I did. I just customized it a bit. I didn't change any height or anything like that. All I did was change the background color to white and the text color to black. Because my screen was black, I didn't want everything to be, black where you can't see it. And then in the text, I wrote Jan 1st, 12 a.m. So that basically means it's January 1st, 12 a.m. What happens? So now we're done with the designing part. Let's go ahead and code. Now you just click on the white box and it's highlighted. That means you're in the code. All right. So now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go all the way down. Actually, before that, you want to make sure you're in UI controls, which should be already selected for you. It's the yellow blocks. So if you're there, scroll all the way down, and from the bottom, the third block, it says set screen. So that will set a screen for you. So you want to grab that block and add it on the top. That's going to be your first block. And here you want to choose 2020. All right, so once you've set the screen, next we're going to go up to the top and we're going to choose the very top block, which is on event. So I made a couple apps before here with you, and we have used this on event. And on event basically means when blank blank, then do this. So why I'm saying blank blank is because we used it for a lot of apps. So that's why I said that. But in this case, we would have when button 1 is clicked, then set screen to 2021. So what's basically happening is when I click this button, you need to set the screen to 2021. And I'll show you what I did here too. So I took the on event block, which just looks like this. And what I did was here, I clicked on ID and I changed it to button 1. You may change the name of the ID if you like. But since I'm only using one button in the app, I didn't change it. Then automatically this here, the second drop down, was saved as click. So I'm not going to mess with that. And after you're done with that, you're going to go all the way back down, grab set screen, and click on the drop down in the set screen block and change it to 2021. So that's all I did. And now that we know our sentence, which is when button 1 is clicked, then set screen to 2021. All right. And don't do 2 of those. I just did that to show you. So don't get that mixed up. All right. So now we're going to click run. Okay. Let me see if you can. Okay. And you're going to click on this button. And there you go. It turns into 2021. So that's it, guys. It's a really simple app. I hope you enjoyed it. And also, I forgot to tell you, the question of the day is, did you enjoy the app? You can let me know in the discussion tab of my channel page. So until then, I'll see you in our next Coding Studio video. So bye.